Hello guys and welcome to Gina's Way. So for today I'm going to do a what I ate today. So I do Weight Watchers and I get about 34 points a day. I am doing this cleanse, a kidney cleanse this week, and if you're interested in that, I'll leave a link to that video below with instructions on that. So what I did was I started my morning off with the kidney cleanse drink, and yeah, it was terrible. It tastes terrible, but that's what I had. Then I moved on to breakfast. I had a piece of toast, an avocado, an egg, and I had a piece of burnt mozzarella cheese, and a half of a cantaloupe. Okay, so if you break it down, it looks like everything was 2 points. Besides, the cantaloupe was free, but it actually 7 points. I made a mistake again because the burnt cheese is 1 point, the egg is 2 points, avocado was 2 points, and then the toast was 2 points. So it wound up being a 7 point breakfast. Okay, so because I'm doing this cleanse, I'm hungry because I'm using the bathroom a lot. So I just had banana water. That's 0 points. Then for lunch, I had some leftovers of red beans and rice, tomatoes, cornbread, and onions. So that was really, really delicious lunch, but that's what I had. Okay, so to break that down, the tomato was 0, the onion was 0, the cornbread was actually about 6 points, the beans was about 3 smart points, and the rice was about 5 points. So it came up to about 14 points for lunch, which to me that was kind of a lot, but that was okay. I was having a lighter dinner, so I was okay with that. All right, so then my son was like, let's go out to dinner. And I was like, no, I can't because I'm cleansing. And then I wanted to just try to stay as clean as possible. So we wind up going to, as I talked him into going to a like a salad bar type of restaurant. And I don't even know how to count this because I had a lot of other toppings on it and I was out, so I didn't weigh it. I just counted it as like 12 points. And so anyway, so that salad, I just said, well, 10 points. I just put it down for 10 points and then it left me with like 2 points for the day. I also got a little bit hungry, so I had some cherries. I had the whole box of cherries. In fact, I mean, I know they're supposed to be 0, but look, hey, I had cherries. I was so excited to see them and it was very delicious. So that's about it. I ended with about 0 points. I didn't do any exercise this week just because I'm just letting my body just cleanse, and I have been a little bit under the weather with this detox. So that's what I'm doing, and I will talk to you all later. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.